Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. We're also going to be talking about this current rejection on Bitcoin. I mentioned it briefly in yesterday's video that there's a possibility we can get rejected at my trend line, and that's exactly what happened. We drew this trend last week or something, guys, and it's holding true. We got the bounce here. We got the rejection. Now we're getting the support right around my line here that we had at the 42,250 area or 42,300 area. We're getting that support because that was the resistance here, and it flipped into support. Okay, so anytime that you have resistance and you get above that resistance, it always flips into support. So now we're looking at that to hold up as support. So let's see if that area holds up. Let's just see if the 42 holds up in general. Okay, we do have our next candle coming up within the next 31 minutes. You guys can see it over here on my chart, 31 minutes and 27 seconds. So the next daily candle, we're on the daily chart. The next daily candle is going to show what our next move is going to be here. But right now we're getting our rejection, and we're getting our bounce. Or we're getting I shouldn't say bounce, but our support. And we got the death cross circled, guys. This is going to come down just a notch, and this is going to go up just a notch. So it's going to get closer and closer. So I'm waiting to break out of this trend and then break to the upside. Now, with that being said, now we can actually draw this line a little bit better, guys. I had the extender on. It was kind of ugly, but we could do it like this. Wait, that's not where I wanted to go. Oh, wait, that is where I wanted to go. No, I pretty much had it where I wanted it, I think. Right there, maybe. Anyways, guys, this is where we're at. We got to break this trend. The target to this trend, though, the target to the upside would be this $69,000 area. So let's see if we can get up there, break at a daily candle closing out of here, then get above these two main moving averages, which this red one is the 50-day moving average, guys. And then this one is the 200-day moving average. Okay, so we still want to get above there, get a daily candle closing above there, then get a nice move to the upside. You can see what happens, especially if we get the cross or we get above that 50. We usually like to take off from there. So that's what I'm looking for here. And let's just see if this 42, holds up. If not, then yeah, we could be looking at this 39,000 area, or even this 37, worst case scenario, 37,300, 37,400 area. Okay, so there is, maybe 38,300. They try to scare everybody, get us down to this area right here because there is something that just caught my eye. Let's mark it off so we have it. Worst case scenario. Now, guys, what happened here? Where is it? Where did I have it? Right here. So, guys, 38,342. So today, on top of this, see, everybody always says, give me the chart and I'll tell you the news ahead of time. Exactly what happened, guys. We had our chart. I was expecting a little rejection here. We talked about how we were getting rejected. But then I was talking about this holding up. And then the new a jobs report came out today. And of course, everything went down. So now let's just see if this holds. And let's see, we got to break this trend. We break this trend, guys, and get closure. Not just go up like wicket here. We need to come out of a daily candle, close, open, and keep going. That's what we need for a breakout. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Ethereum. Oh, yes. And I know people have mentioned this, but we already talked about it. I know about the head and shoulders, guys. I'm not worried about it. They never play out, especially with crypto. It's like a 20% chance. It's not even worth talking about. Ethereum, guys, we talked about maybe getting rejected at the 200-day moving average. We can't. That's pretty much what happened. I think we were about $10 off there. Not much. Actually, not even, like $7 off. People saw that. the rejection, on top of the news, on top of the jobs report. Things were looking ugly, but we are getting supported by our line here, coming in right around that 32.47 mark or 32.40 mark. Okay. Um, Actually, what do we got? 32.33 if you want to be exact. But we are getting support there. So let's see if that holds up and we can get back above this 200-day moving average that is moving up every day. So now it is currently at 34.51. So let's see if we can clear that and get a daily candle closing above there for more continuation to the upside. To the downside, like I said, let's see if this area holds up that we're currently in right now. Could we see it go down? Maybe test 32. Let's just see if 32 holds up. Okay. If 32 doesn't hold up, then our next level would be 3,057 area, or 3,050, I should say. And then the 3,000, and then, of course, down to our 29 level that we had down here. Okay. Matic, guys, nothing to see here, guys. Nothing to see here. But we got rejected right at my 245. We talked about that being a rejection zone. We got rejected there. And now we're coming down, and it looks like we're coming and we're getting close to testing the 222, 223 area. But that's currently where the 50-day moving average is coming in. So I would like to see that hold up as support. I want to see us ride this 50-day moving average to the upside and get that to hold up as support to the upside. Let's clear this 245 to 252 and work our way up to the 265 area. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Cardano, same thing. Look at this, guys. We got rejected right at our 136 and at our 50-day moving average, which we got rejected here and now here. So we got it. This will act as resistance, guys. We need to get a daily candle above the 50-day moving average. That's currently coming in pretty much right at the high of the day, around 135. So yeah, so let's see if we can break that. If we can get above that, then we can start scooting back up to the upside for support. Let's see if this 120, 119 area holds up. Okay. I would like to see, or 118, I should say 118 to 120 area. Let's see if that holds. Currently right now, let's see. There could be some support right here, but if let's just see if this holds up for tomorrow and the upcoming days. We want to see this go to the upside. If you're bullish, guys. Solana, 200-day acting as support. This is coming in acting as support. Beautiful. We're getting our bounce right where we thought we would at the 145 area. We have it marked right here from all my previous videos. Boom. Nailed it again, guys. Now, we got up to 158. We didn't get to that 160 area we talked about. We got up to 158, and let's see if we could see the reason why. No, just the jobs report. Jobs report came out at that time, and they didn't hit the target. They were trying to hit it, but the jobs report came out first. So I know some people probably got a little scared from this. So but yeah, let's get it back above 160, 163 area. Hold the 145. If the 145 doesn't hold up, let's just ride this 200, which is currently coming in right around 136, 137 area. Okay. Shib, we had a great move to the upside, and then we got banged to the downside. I still want to see us close above 3,000. That would look nice, which we're right on that line right now. Get a daily. We got 23 minutes left. Let's get a daily candle closing above there. And then we got rejected right at my 33 mark. So let's clear that 33, and then hopefully we can get back above the 50 that's coming in currently right around 35. But that can move as it goes. But let's see what happens here. There is a strong rumor. Now, there's been a lot of rumors, but this one's very strong that apparently in February that Robinhood will be listing SHIB. That could give a big boost in SHIB. Okay, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But that could really push this thing up, which I think it can, and I think it will if it does get listed on there. But right now, let's just see if the 3,000 holds up. If not, then yeah, we could look for as long as we stay above 27. I'm still looking okay on this. Okay. Avalanche. And let me go back, guys. Let me go back because I want to say something real quick. Now, if we break down, does it mean we're going to hit these levels, 136? No. That's just my last line of defense type of deal where it could get ugly if we don't. If we go lower than these bottom levels. If we go lower under $1.89 on Matic, or if we go under this 29, we could hit the 27. Bitcoin, we drop under here, we could go to 37 or 38 and 37. So that's what I mean by when I say that, guys. It's not the end of the world. Just, things could turn around right here. I'm still looking for an upside move. It's just, we got some FUD in the streets and people are getting scared right now. So that's pretty much what it is. Avalanche, we hit our box. If I just bring this box right over, we hit the top side of our box there. We didn't get to our 98, but we got really close. We peaked up to the 97 area. But this was my first target area. And then my line of defense here was that 98, which I thought maybe we could push up there, but if we didn't, this was my box to look to take a little profit here. And then now we're getting supported here. We did actually come down a little bit under my support at 90, and we came back down to, it looks like, the 89 area, which was pretty much previous support. It was about $1 off, so it's not too much. But I would like to see us close up above this box and work our way back up to the upside. If we do start to break down and we start to get a daily under, let's just say 88, then yeah, we could look for this 85, 82, and 79 level again, okay? So that's what I'm looking at to the upside. Let's just clear 98, and then let's clear 100. And then get past this 100-day moving average that's coming in right around 102. Okay. If we can do that, then we have a good shot of pushing this thing all the way back up to the all-time highs again. All right. So that's what I'm looking at for those guys. Pretty much, it's all on Bitcoin, guys. It's all on Bitcoin. We see the rejection at Bitcoin here. We were waiting for this move to pop. It didn't go through. It didn't pop like we wanted it to. We got rejected. Now we're looking at support. Now let's see what happens here, okay? But we'll figure it out as it goes. This is playing the game, okay? So if you're a conservative trader, you get out right here and you wait for the dip because we expected a little pullback, and that's what we ended up getting. So not I wouldn't be too worried about any of this yet, guys. I think there's still turnaround coming. It's just you got to be very, very patient right now. That's all it comes down to. Patience is key. That's what I figured out over time, okay? Patience is key. Much love to you guys. Appreciate you guys watching my channel. I'll put a link to Webull in the description. They are giving out, if you do sign up using my link, deposit $100, you are getting 6 free stocks that could value anywhere from $5 to, I think it's like 1,100 or 1,000 or something like that. So it's just free money, guys. So if you want to take advantage, you get some free money. Even if you get a stock that's $10, you get 6 of them. That's still $60 for free. Take advantage of it. Just put $100 in. Doesn't cost you anything to sign up. Get your free shares, and then when you share your link, they get free shares as well. So that's something to keep keep in mind. Use my link, get the free shares, and then send your link out to one of your friends and get some free shares for yourself. And also put my link to Twitter in the description as well, guys. You can follow me there on Twitter. I post videos up on there as well. So I think that's it, guys. Much love to you guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and peace out.